Today, we'll practice Power BI, using warehouse and retail sales data, available online. Link to the data is provided in the description below. Download the data, and place it in a directory on your computer. Now import the data into the Power BI, using the Get Data feature. On the Get Data window, select the format in which you have downloaded the data, and press Connect. Now locate and open the file you have downloaded. In the preview window, press the Load button to load the data into Power BI. Wait for the data to be loaded into Power BI. Once the data has been loaded, go to the Data view. The original data contains year and month columns, which need to be converted into date. We will create a new column using the DAX for proper date. Enter date for the column name. We will use the end of month function to generate dates from year and month columns. Enter the year column reference for years in the date function, and month column reference for months. Enter 1 for the days. Enter 0 for months, as we only need the last date of current month. The date column has been created successfully. Now, go to the Report view to create a dashboard from this data. Insert a text box to create a title for the dashboard. Now, add a pie chart to the dashboard. Add the retail sales, retail transfers, and warehouse sales to the values area of the pie chart. Add another pie chart to the dashboard. Herd the supplier field to the legend area. Add the warehouse sales to the values area. This chart shows us the warehouse sales by supplier. Add another pie chart to the dashboard. Add supplier to the legend area. Add retail sales to the values area. This chart shows us retail sales by supplier. Add a line chart to the dashboard. Add the date field to the x-axis. Add the retail sales, retail transfers, and warehouse sales to the y-axis. Rename the fields appropriately. Add a bar chart to the dashboard. Add the item type field to the y-axis. Add the retail sales, retail transfers, and warehouse sales to the x-axis. Rename the fields appropriately for better display. The warehouse and retail sales dashboard has been prepared. We hope you enjoyed today's Power BI exercise and learned something out of it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and updates.